My Kenmore Elite fridge is making a clicking sound. It is coming from the filter box between the fridge and freezer sections. Model number 106.51163-210.
Unfortunately, that clicking noise is the damper assembly moving or trying to move in the upper back left corner of the refrigerator section. You can try to thaw out the damper with a hairdryer in case it's just frozen, but other than that, if it's sticking or just cycling over and over, the damper needs to be replaced. Below is a link to the damper you'd need to order and replace for your model. Click here for damper. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
What is the method for removing the existing damper?
There is just a plastic cover over top of the damper assembly. If there is a screw going into the plastic cover, remove the screw and then pull the cover off. Otherwise, the cover is just clipped in and needs to be squeezed and pulls off. After that, the damper assembly behind the cover just unclips and pulls off, and then you can unplug the wires going to the damper. Below is a diagram, and part 5 is the cover you need to remove. Click here for damper cover.
Thank you. I will check it out tonight.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.